Creating viral relaxing snow videos with AI, a step-by-step guide. 1. Sign up for a Leonardo AI account, free. Go to leonardo.ai, create an account using Gmail, Apple, or Outlook, or sign up on the website. Select the Leonardo diffusion model. 2. Generate your image. Set the aspect ratio to 1024 by 1024. Enter your prompt and click Generate. Upscale image quality using the HD Crisp Upscaler DNA icon, then download. 3. Create your background image. Follow the same process. Enter a prompt, click Generate, enhance quality with the upscaler, then download. 4. Use a photo editing software. Head to Photopea, free online, or Photoshop. Upload the first image you generated. 5. Cut out all windows. Use the polygonal lasso select to outline each window glass and hit backspace to delete. Use the magic wand tool to select difficult parts. Export the final edit as a PNG file. 6. Upload your images to CapCut, free. Drag the background image onto the main timeline. Add the cutout PNG image above the background image. 7. Download a green screen video. Head to YouTube and search up snow green effect. Download your favorite video. 8. Add the green screen. Drag the snow video between the background and cutout images. Click Cutout then Chroma key. Use the color picker to select green. Set strength to 3. In adjustments, set saturation to -50 and brightness to 50. Copy and paste your snow video clips. 9. Resize for mobile and export. Select all files, left-click and create a compound clip. Change aspect ratio to 9:16 and expand the video to fit the frame. Click position size and add a keyframe at the start and end of the video. Export and download your video. Bonus, hope you enjoyed the tutorial. By the way, I also run Futuristo, an agency specializing in cutting-edge AI content. If you're a business owner seeking high-quality content that converts, let's make it happen.